You know, there's an old adage that says health is wealth, but we all truly believe that when health and wealth is women-led, then not only does it create benefits for the family, it creates benefit for the community, it creates benefits for the country, and it actually becomes a huge global multiplier. I want to share 3 interesting insights. Did you know the cornerstone of Modi ji's saying, that he coined Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao? The first was he took charge as the Prime Minister of this country, and I think from that day he's never let us forget how important it is and what we need to do to work against female fratricide and also to make sure that the girl child was educated. The second insight is his inclusiveness. When he was doing this entire scheme of Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao, he invited across society, he asked for inputs, and with those inputs, he actually formulated the schemes that would go for it. And the last insight is really of a man of a leader who lays himself down on the line before he asks others to. He donated, when he was the Chief Minister of Gujarat, he donated from his own salary 20 lakhs towards the education of girl children, of drivers, of peons, of people who couldn't afford it within the Gujarat government. And I think this speaks volumes for the fact that he's leading by example, and it's something that we should always keep as the theme of till we are really successful and the girl child and women have been elevated in this society, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao is the clarion call.